Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a cover song on the SUNO mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the button at the bottom, tap Custom at the top. In the custom screen, you will see a boxes for song title, lyrics or prompt or style. To make a cover, start by typing the original song title or mention the artist name in the prompt box. If you want, you can change the style or mood to make the cover your own, like jazz style, slow and emotional, or acoustic version. Type this in the style or mood box to customize the sound. When everything looks good, tap the create or generate button. Wait a few seconds while SUNO creates your cover version of the song with its AI vocal and music. Tap play to listen your cover. If you like it, tap save to keep it. If you want a different version, tap regenerate to try again. And that's how you make a cover song on the SUNO mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.